This white noise machine gives you the perfect fan-based sound without the distraction of moving air or a digital loop. I've used this machine just about every night for 4 years, and it still works perfectly. This white noise machine is great for sleep, especially if you sleep next to someone who snores, and also great for office privacy and to soothe your kids or barking dog. The machine also has an app, so you can control the volume and settings through your phone without having to go into the room that the machine is in, which is especially useful if you have a baby. There are 10 options for speed and volume, and it also remembers the last setting that you had it on when you turn it back on. And again, these may also be controlled in the app. All in all, this is a wonderful sound machine with just the perfect white noise.